right? That's me wearing Amazon Echo Loop. This is a day one product, so it's coming out a little bit later. You can get on an invite list to try it out. $179 if you don't get on the invite list, $129 if you do. 9 to 12 grams, 4 different sizes, which pretty much covers everybody's fingers, right? It's actually a little loose on this finger here, but here's the idea. Here's the idea here. This has Alexa built into it, right? Connects to your phone via Bluetooth. You press the button to talk. The button is here on the back, so it's not always listening. It doesn't work like that. It does have microphones in it. It does have a speaker in it too. All of this is kind of low impact though. It's not like, hey Alexa. No, you're pressing the button and then you're talking to it. So we're gonna try it out. Press. Where is the nearest Whole Foods? I'm gonna. All right, so the nearest one is 0.2 miles away. I can hear it, I swear to you, no one else can hear it around me. So that's the idea of wearing a smart ring. It's not something ostentatious, it's not like it's out there, it's not like big and bulky. I would hope that we'll get some choices on style and design. So once again, what we have here is Amazon Echo Loop. This is the smallest Alexa device Amazon has ever made. It's for your finger. It's not always listening. You push to speak, press once, talk to Alexa, hold it to your ear, get an answer. Also use it to talk to Alexa and tell it, calendar items, reminders. All of it's supposed to be, nice, quiet between you and the loop, and not between you and everybody around you.
Right after this gentleman is done.
Oh, hey, I'm wearing Amazon's Echo Buds. These are new $129 earbuds from Amazon, their first pair. They've got Bose noise canceling technology in them. I can double tap to turn that on and off. And the noise reduction is actually quite good, surprisingly good for something that just sticks in the head. The fit is fairly tight, feels good. They feel lightweight, they're comfortable. Mm-hmm. I can also ask Alexa questions. Alexa, play my favorite playlist.
So 4 total gestures.
She plays
the
music,
on either
and the
ear.
music is quite good. There's a significant amount of bass. There's 5 hours of battery life in the earbuds, and another 20 hours of battery life in the case. So the case, which is a fairly large size case, will give you a charge 20 hours. These connect via Bluetooth to your smartphone and of course to the Alexa app. Hey, I'm wearing Echo frames here, so that's right, this is basically Alexa eyeglasses. When I speak, when I say the watchword, she'll answer me. She's connected to my a Bluetooth phone, Android only at launch. $179 if you get the invite. I have no idea what happens if you don't. Ships later this year. They're 31 grams. One of the things that's interesting I noticed is that when Alexa speaks to me, it sounds like the sound is coming from the center of my skull. It's so weird, but I could actually hear it even in this super challenging environment. I know these look a lot like my regular glasses, but they're not. These are my actual glasses. I'm trying to skip out of here so no one notices. There is a button in there I can use that's basically push to talk and ask Alexa something if I don't want to use the watchword. I can turn Alexa off if I want so it doesn't listen for it. I can do it that way. So the glasses are smart enough to have something called a VIP filter, which means the notifications that are important get to you, not all of the notifications, which is kind of cool. There's also a gesture for communication, which means gesture to answer the call, but also if you're getting a call, you will hear a ring.
These to be comfortable for all day wear. They have compatibility with crystal lenses, spring hinges, and adjustable acetate.
Echo frames are also prescription, so basically you take it into your local vision people with a prescription, and they can get the whole thing. The lens is fitted, and if you're wondering, 14 hours of battery life. So some pretty cool technology. Are people ready for smart glasses that have Alexa built in? I don't know, but this was a lot of fun to try out.